and welcome to our channel, Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a like. Before I move on to this video, also don't forget to follow us on our other social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Today's video is all about YouTube channel marketing services in Canada. What we do at our Quality Zone Infotech. We at the Quality Zone Infotech offer our customers, clients a range of services. We offer our customers YouTube experts to manage their channels. Running YouTube channels can be pretty time consuming. Shooting as well as editing YouTube videos can take enough time and efforts. However, our YouTube channel manager is expert in offering services aimed to manage the need of the business. Our channel manager performs a host of tasks, mostly technical for the client's YouTube channel. The person optimizes the client's video, title, tags, as well as descriptions. Our YouTube channel manager makes sure that the client channel stays updated. The person manages the YouTube playlist on a regular basis. The person also replies to the comments on the YouTube channel. We help our viewers to feel engaged. Now, why you choose us as the best SEO and YouTube marketing company in Canada? Because the Quality Zone Infotech consists of high-level skilled professionals which are ready to rank the website as the top over the Google search engine with best organic traffic, as well as that your business will get online presence with a large amount of revenue. Also, we have been appreciated as the top SEO service provider in Canada. And also, we are well known as the best SEO service provider company in Canada. Why the Quality Zone Infotech is the best SEO service and YouTube marketing company in Canada? There is a huge amount of companies in Canada that usually talk and not focus on their desired goals. But Quality Zone Infotech is always to fulfill the client's expectations and requirements as they want in real to generate better revenue and lead the business at the top level. In this context, it is important to say that YouTube has roughly 1 billion account holders. Almost 4 billion people access YouTube videos on a daily basis. Roughly 6 billion hours of YouTube videos are watched on an hour basis. At Quality Zone Infotech, we offer to our customers, clients, YouTube setup, YouTube background design, YouTube uploads. We offer our customer services to add YouTube subscribers, increase YouTube likes, optimize video tags, fan engagement services. We are the best YouTube channel management. Now, how our YouTube channel creation and management works. We offer our customer services like creating videos, uploading the same on the customer's YouTube account. We use optimized titles, thumbnails, and descriptions to make your video appealing. We help our customers to log in to YouTube account on a regular basis and engage with the viewers regularly. Our services are aimed at enhancing the YouTube account looks, as they want in real to generate better revenue and lead the business level. Why to choose the best YouTube channel marketing agency? In today's digital landscape, business consumers' dynamics have shifted. The existence of digital channels has influenced buyer behaviors and consumers are now in control of it. How they receive information instead of giving you a call or waiting for the next commercial, consumers now rely on the internet to find information about your business. In recent times, studies show that the video to be the preferred medium by consumers for receiving the information about the brands or the product that have sparkled their curiosity. According to the Weasel, 96% of people say they rely on explanatory video to know about the product or the service they are interested in. A HubSpot research study found that 72% of people prefer video over reading a text or receiving a marketing information. And with the 2 billion viewers and users, YouTube is the preferred platform. 88% of marketers say that they have found the success in YouTube marketing. As a business owner invested in a digital marketing, your job is to adapt the changing dynamics. Provide your audience the answers they need in the form of they want to consume. Your consumer will thank you for it, and your business will benefit greatly from it. 74% of people said that they were convinced to purchase by watching video. This means your digital marketing actions need to include in YouTube strategies, and you may need to reach out the experts for the YouTube video marketing services. Quality Zone Infotech search engine optimization service and YouTube management service is ready to deliver the best business growth with large number of organic lead and the traffic with high sales within the affordable SEO service and marketing service packages to get more and more growth in comparison to the previous SEO companies and YouTube management companies. We have a great SEO marketing and a YouTube marketing experts which has been always ready to provide you the best support and the page ranking services, which includes SEO audits, SEO consulting services, local SEO services, content strategies, keyword research, long tail and short tail, pay-per-click, etc. These are some of the services which are provided in these packages. You can also check out the entire information from the link below in the description box. Now, why Quality Zone Infotech is once the best YouTube channel marketing company? Being a top SEO service providers, our main ideology is our cheap SEO services and YouTube marketing services guarantees you to provide 100% satisfaction with the quality-based results, oriented leads and more traffic to get better growth in the business as per customers' needs and requirements. Because our team believes in quality-based results, not in the user's talks by discussing the strategic way only. How Quality Zone Infotech can help you to grow your channel? Why you choose us, the best SEO service company? Because the Quality Zone Infotech consists of high-level skilled professionals which are ready to rank the website as the top over the Google search engine with best organic traffic, as well as that your business will get an online presence with large amount of revenue. Also, we have been appreciated as top SEO service and top YouTube marketing service provider and well known as best SEO service provider company. Now please don't think so much. Take your business at next level with Quality Zone Infotech to get satisfied results in the future now. Now before I end this video, please don't forget to check out our recent video. Also, follow us on our other social media networks such as LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a like. Thanks for watching.